हेलो गाइस, वेलकम। आज का वीडियो है हाउ टू एक्चुअली इंस्टॉल MATLAB 2018. My Windows is 10 but it can be done in any of the Windows. So let's start. First, actually you have to save your MATLAB file in any other volume. That is, I have saved it in volume D, but you don't have to save it in C. That one point has to be remembered. Okay, don't save it in C. Okay, after that you have to actually go for Matlab and go for this one and setup. So allow. Okay, the process is easy, just you have to follow the steps. Yes, so I don't have to install it using internet connection, so use a file key and next, accept all the agreements and do next. You have to actually give the file installation key, which actually have been not been saved here, have been solved I think here. So crack, and you have to read me this one. So this one is a standalone, and you have this file installer use file installation key. So this one is the password. Just copy and go for use this one, paste and do just next. You have to go for save it in the main. Actually the save file will be in C, program files, so go for it. Next, everything is done, everything is tick done, nice. Okay, next, start installation. So this will, I guess, take approximately 30 minutes, so I will not exceed my video length. I'll come after 99%, so stay tuned. So you can see now 99% is complete. There was no intermediate steps from 0 to 99%. So our process is completed. You have to just do next and finish. Our next work is simply to go back and actually go back to volume C and go to program files and see if Matlab is installed. Yes, it is here. So you have to click here and you have to go for bin, bin, and just double click here. So the next process is to set up the Matlab application, and let's see how it's done. So this is the pictorial view of a Matlab starting. This takes a minute. Actually there has been a problem. Actually in my case the Matlab was installed earlier, that's why just using the file installation key it got activated and started. But in your case, after the 100% is complete setuping, you have to again, as I told, you have to go for this one, desktop, PC, C, and you have to go for program files and you have to go for Matlab. You have to 2018 bin, and then you have to double click here. Then after this directly it will not start, but in my case it has started, but in your case it will not. It will again come like this, this one here. And you have there again there will two options. You have to use either the internet connection or you can use the internal files. Then you will use your internal file, click here, and there would be an option here to browse. So what would you have to browse there? You have to browse this one. You have to whatever you have saved in this file, not the C1, but whatever I have saved in D1, that you have to browse for this standalone file. So it will be, you have to browse, right? So this one you have to browse, and I have gone through this here, Matlab, this one, and this one. So you have to double click here. As soon as you double click, it will go there and fill the place, and after that you have to actually do next, and the process will be finished, and you have to click finish. After finishing the work, you have to actually go for this bin 64, and this one you have to actually right click here and copy. You have to go the file where it has been set up, that is C program files, go for Matlab 2018, and you have to just right click and you have to go for bin, sorry, and then you right click and paste. In my case it has already been pasted. So this is actually the work here, and you will close, but before closing just right click here and pin to the start. Okay, so pin more, pin to taskbar. So after completing the steps, you have to double click and the Matlab will start. So the one problem in my case was how to use standalone. So that was the case. In my case the Matlab was installed. Sorry for that, guys, but as I told, you have to just put the standalone file in that place, and the work will be finished very fast, not earlier that it would take 30 minutes. After completing the standalone process, you have to go for the bin file where you have to save the .dxl file and save it in C bin, paste, and your Matlab will start ASAP. So thank you. If there is any queries, you can ask me in comment box. Thank you.